Oh my gosh, you guys, we have a $20,000 approval. Yes, $20,000 approval and a $5,000 approval. I really like these approvals, and I like that they even have like a bonus. When you guys sign up, you're going to get a bonus for signing up. Now, I forget what these bonuses, you usually have to spend money to get the bonus, but I'm going to go into more details with that. But I really love this card because look, $20,000 and $5,000. A lot of times you want to see like what type of limit you can get. Some people want higher limit credit cards. This is one of them cards that can potentially give you a higher limit. Now, this card is the US Bank Altitude Gold Visa Signature Card, and it's like I said, it's with US Bank. So the US Bank Altitude Gold Visa Signature Card. Now, like I said, you guys, this card, it has a sign up bonus. So they're going to give you a $200 bonus for signing up for the card. It's actually going to be in it's going to be in points. So they're going to give you 20,000 bonus points for signing up for the card. And that's if you guys just spend $100 in the first 90 days. Now, don't forget, you have to spend $100 in the first 90 days. They have the points that you guys can get for cash back, and you want to probably spend your money in those categories. That way you guys can really maximize how much you can actually get back, because I don't want you just to spend $1,000 on something just to get the money, the cashback bonus back. I want you guys to be able to, get even more points on top of that. Now, one thing I really love about this card is this no annual fee. Now, don't forget, if it's your first time watching my video, my name is Rickita. I talk about credit cards all the time in real estate. I love credit cards that don't have an annual fee, and I want to make sure I focus on getting a lot of cards with no annual fee. I don't want to pay every year for the card. Now, I'm not doing a lot of travel right now, so if I had a card that probably had rewards, maybe they're paying for certain things when I travel. Maybe it'll be good to get it with an annual fee, but I'm not doing a lot of travel right now, so I want to stick to cards that don't have an annual fee at all. And this one actually don't have any foreign transaction fees. Y'all hear me all the time talk about Capital One, talking about Discover, how they don't have any foreign transaction fees. This card don't have a foreign transaction fee either. And I really like that because when you go out the country, I would prefer to use my credit card. Like, there's so much fraud going on outside the country and inside the country. I would prefer to really use my card outside the country. Imagine like just being here in the States using your card and some fraud happening. You can just call the company up and tell them that fraud is happening. But then sometimes it can just be harder, and sometimes it can be a delay too with some transactions. Sometimes you don't even know it's happening, and you just don't want to find out last minute that something negative is happening. Somebody is actually taking money off your card or doing anything fraudulent. So a lot of times I just tell people, sign up for a company called Aura, and Aura is actually sponsoring this video. I talked to you guys about Aura plenty of times before. I really love them. They have so many different things that they can help you guys with, and the biggest thing is really just making sure that you're overall protected. So they have the antivirus for like your different devices. They also have the credit lock, where you can actually freeze and lock your Experian profile, so you can lock your Experian profile. And then they also have monitoring for all three of your credit bureaus. So if you have anything pop up, they see anything suspicious, they'll let you know right away. And they usually tell you faster than all other companies that's out there. They also have a VPN for those people that like to, shop, bank online, and have privacy. They have the VPN for you. And then they have 24-hour US based customer support. I told you guys, like one of my first videos, I called them. I wanted to see how they were. They are really good with their customer support. And then they have the identity protection. So if they see your social security number in a dark web, they'll let you know about that right away. Any of your personal information, any of your accounts online, they're going to tell you about that right away. And then you also can have like parental controls for like your kids if you want to make sure that they're not seeing anything harmful. They have that out there. And then too, they're going to give you a copy of your credit reports. And all of this is without paying anything for their trial. They have a free trial, you guys, 14-day free trial, risk-free trial. So see if you like it. And if you like it, stay with them. They can store your passwords there. They have everything all in one. Now, I usually have everything on my iPhone, so I would like if I have this additional protection, especially for those people that have their credit cards. They're built their credit out. They want to make sure they protect it. Then definitely look into Aura, because this would be a good company that can protect you. And like I said, they have a 14-day free trial. Sign up, see what they're all about, see what they have to offer, because this can be something that can really help you all out. Make sure you're protecting yourself. And they even have the insurance for you all, the $1 million coverage. So definitely check it out, and you guys can protect your family also. Make sure you guys look in the description, look in the comments, and use my link. I have a special link that you guys can use. And like I said, you're going to get the 14-day trial. And if you guys look right now, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but they do have, you guys can save 50% on their annual plans right now. So you guys definitely want to sign up. And it's always best to do like annual plans anyway, instead of paying on things monthly, because you get a greater discount. So definitely thank you so much, or for sponsoring this video. I think this would be great for you guys, especially if you just want to make sure you're overall protected in your accounts. Now, like I said too, you want to make sure you protect it. So or will be great for that, especially if you're in the country or outside the country. And if you're using outside the country, you're protected, or we're gonna let you know exactly what's going on, you guys. And you're not gonna have no annual fees or foreign transaction fees. So I love it. Now, there's a lot of similar credit cards out there that's similar to this credit card. So definitely check those credit cards out. I have a PDF about this credit card and other credit cards where they can show similarities. Now, when you guys are trying to get approved for this card, they don't like if you have too many new accounts, you are going to get denied. And then also if you have too many inquiries. So I'm thinking they're trying to go have like a Chase vibe where they like don't have too many new accounts or too many inquiries. And give me that 524 with the Chase. And US Bank to me is kind of strict with some things like that. So just keep that in mind. Now, let's go into their points, because that's what I really like. I want to try to find a cash back. I want to see how I can save, make money, save up money. That's what I look for. So they have the 4%. They got 4% or 4 times the points, kind of the same thing. They have 4 times the points on dining, takeout, and your restaurant delivery, which I really love. I tell you all, you guys, all the time, if you're going out doing date nights, put this on the card. Like, put that transaction on this card, because you guys are going to get 4 times the points. You guys are also going to get 2 times the points at the grocery store, streaming services, gas stations, and then the EV charging stations too. I really love that. I cannot wait till I can get more into that. And they also have 1%. 1%. Oh my gosh, I keep saying 1%. Think of it as a percentage though, you guys, because I used to get tripped up on points. 1 times the points is like 1%. Think of it like that though. But you guys are going to get 1 time the points on all your other purchases. So no matter what you're spending money on, you guys going to get something back. But try to see if you can target your spending with this card. So I would use this card mainly for like dining, takeout in restaurants, and like grocery stores, and like streaming services and gas stations. That's what I would really use this card for. Now, they also have 0% interest rate for balance transfers and for purchases for the first 12 billing cycles. So I really like that for you guys that probably have a big project that you want to do. I told you guys sometimes people want to redo their kitchen or something like that. You guys can put those purchases on these cards, because you're not going to be getting charged for the first 12 months. Understand, if you hold a balance on that though, they're going to go backdate and charge you interest on those transactions. So make sure you have that paid off in full. And they always give you that warning. They're going to give you a $15 credit for streaming services. So if you use this card for your streaming services, you guys are going to get a $15 credit annually. So I really like that. And don't forget, you guys are already getting the cash back. So they're giving you the 2% cash back on your streaming services also. So it's like a no-brainer on whether or not you should use your card for this. If you guys have large purchases, they're going to ask you if you want to divide those large purchases into smaller payments where you can pay it over time. And then you guys are not going to be charged any interest at all, and you can keep the rewards, and it's all going to be like on a small monthly fee. So definitely check out that. Is called the US Bank Extended Pay Plan. So you guys, if you have a huge purchase, you can just break it up into smaller purchases. And I like that because it's kind of similar to like the have you ever heard like the, I wouldn't say like a buy now pay, this is similar to like a buy now pay later, but same as cash. It's similar to that. I like to think of it like that. It's kind of similar to same as cash. Now, they are going to pull your Experian credit report, so keep that in mind. And then they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus about this account, so it's going to boost your credit score. Just make sure you guys are keeping a lower balance on this card, because if you like, you get $20,000 depending on the balance and the limits on the other card. If you max out this credit card, it's going to really drop your credit score. So if you plan to use that 0% intro APR for the first 12 months and you plan on putting a lot on this card, make sure you have other cards that don't have a balance, so that it don't report a huge balance to the credit bureaus and don't drop your credit score. And make sure you guys are paying your balance in full. Don't forget, I have my membership, you guys. So if you need help boosting your credit score, I have my membership. Definitely check that out also. And don't forget, Aura, they have it where they can help protect you guys, because there's so much going on. You're going to need that protection. You're going to need those warnings, and you have everything in one place where they can be able to check your different type of accounts and your credit reports. They can give you those warnings. So definitely make sure you check out that Aura trial. Is down in the comments and down in the description. And check out these other videos that YouTube think that you guys may like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.